This is Chad Benedict, your motorhome specialist here at Holiday World. Here today to showcase our new pre-owned 2014 Forest River Berkshire 390 FL. Let's take a look. This incredible 2014 Berkshire is coming in at 39.9 inches long and 12 foot 2 inches tall. If you're going to be traveling long distances or camping off grid, you'll never have to worry about power with this Onan 8500 diesel generator. We have 86 gallons of fresh water, 60 gallons of gray, and 44 on the black. If you plan on traveling in the mountains or pulling a vehicle, you'll have plenty of power with this Cummins ISB 340 horsepower motor. As I always like to point out, no significant damage to the windshield. If you enjoy spending time outside your RV, you'll love this outdoor entertainment system. A big question is always, what about storage? Well, this is the largest sliding storage tray I've ever seen in the industry. These extendable awnings over the door aren't talked about much until it's raining outside. People always say, yeah, Chad, but what about the tires? This bad boy's getting new tires before it leaves the lot. The passenger seat comes with an automatic step cover, allowing for more square footage and leg support when traveling. If your passenger wants to take a little siesta, it does convert into a recliner. Every month, I get several guests into Holiday World saying, Chad, I want a diesel pusher for under 100 grand. Well, this is your chance. This 2014 Berkshire is online for only $74,995. And throw in new tires on top of that, that's a great deal. If you're an interested and qualified buyer, give Chad Benedict a call at 936-337-8900. Have a great day.